For homeowners comparing window replacement estimates in Cloverleaf TX, the smartest first step is a local assessment from licensed window replacement contractors in Cloverleaf TX who understand the Gulf Coast climate. The right quote should account for window size, frame condition, labor, glass package, and installation complexity, especially for house window replacement in Cloverleaf TX 77015 and surrounding East Houston neighborhoods. Whether you need affordable replacement windows in Cloverleaf Harris County TX or a full house window replacement Cloverleaf Texas area project, detailed pricing helps you compare value, not just the lowest number. How to choose energy efficient. Window replacement Cloverleaf TX starts with looking at glass performance, frame material, and installation quality. Energy-saving window upgrades in Cloverleaf TX should prioritize low-E coatings, thermally insulated replacement windows in Cloverleaf TX, and double pane window replacement in Cloverleaf TX for better comfort and lower utility bills. Homeowners searching for energy-efficient window replacement near Cloverleaf Houston area often want solutions that reduce heat gain, improve indoor temperature stability, and support long-term savings in humid Texas weather. When homeowners ask when to replace old windows in Cloverleaf, Texas, the answer often comes down to drafts, condensation, rising energy bills, sticking sashes, and visible frame damage. Broken window replacement service. Cloverleaf TX is essential when glass is cracked or seals fail, while replacement windows for older homes in Cloverleaf, Texas may also require updated sizing and improved insulation. If your home needs front window replacement services in Cloverleaf, Texas, or a complete upgrade for aging units, timely replacement can improve comfort, safety, and curb appeal. Vinyl window replacement Cloverleaf TX homes remains one of the most popular choices because it is durable, low maintenance, and well-suited to Houston suburb homes. Vinyl replacement window installation in Cloverleaf TX is especially effective for families wanting weatherproof replacement windows for Cloverleaf TX climate and low-maintenance replacement windows for Houston suburb homes. For many property owners, vinyl offers a strong balance of affordability, thermal performance, and easy upkeep, making it ideal for rental properties, starter homes, and long-term residences alike. Best window replacement options for homes in Cloverleaf TX often depend on the style of the house, whether it is a brick exterior, a newer build, or an older home near Beltway 8 and Cloverleaf. Window replacement for brick homes in Cloverleaf TX can require specialized installation methods to protect the masonry and ensure a proper seal. Modern window styles for Cloverleaf TX neighborhoods, including double-hung window replacement in Cloverleaf, Texas, can update the look of a home while improving ventilation and energy performance. For families living near busy roads, noise reduction. Window replacement Cloverleaf TX can make a major difference in daily comfort. Double pane window replacement in Cloverleaf TX and thermally insulated replacement windows in Cloverleaf TX help reduce outside sound while also supporting better temperature control. Homeowners seeking storm-ready window replacement in Cloverleaf TX or benefits of impact-resistant windows in Cloverleaf TX often want added peace of mind during heavy rain, high winds, and seasonal storm activity common across the greater Houston area. Professional window measurement services in Cloverleaf, Texas are critical for custom-sized replacement windows for Cloverleaf homes, because even small measurement errors can affect performance and appearance. Window frame replacement versus full window replacement. Cloverleaf TX is another important decision, especially for homes with rot, water intrusion, or structural wear. For custom window replacement for homes in East Houston near Cloverleaf, accurate measurements and expert installation help ensure a clean fit, better weather sealing, and long-term durability. Local window installers in Cloverleaf TX and Cloverleaf Texas residential window replacement contractors should offer more than basic labor. They should provide guidance on materials, product selection, and code-aware installation. Best-rated window replacement contractors near Cloverleaf, Texas typically serve nearby communities like Channelview, North Shore, Pasadena, and the Cloverleaf Houston area with residential glass and window replacement in Cloverleaf TX. A trusted local window replacement company serving Cloverleaf TX and Pasadena can also advise on replacement windows for rental properties in Cloverleaf TX and cost-conscious upgrades for multi-unit homes. Affordable home window replacement Cloverleaf TX does not have to mean sacrificing quality. Window replacement financing options in Cloverleaf TX can make larger projects more manageable, especially for full house window replacement. Cloverleaf Texas area improvements, or energy-efficient window replacement near Cloverleaf Houston area upgrades. Budget window replacement services in Cloverleaf TX 77015 are often most valuable when they combine fair pricing, strong warranties, and durable products designed for humid Texas weather and daily use. How long does window replacement take in Cloverleaf TX depends on the number of windows, the condition of the frames, and whether you need same-day window replacement near Cloverleaf Texas for urgent issues. Many residential window replacement services in Cloverleaf TX can complete smaller jobs quickly, while larger projects like replacement windows for homes near Beltway 8 and Cloverleaf may take longer due to customization and installation details. Reliable scheduling, clean workmanship, and efficient service matter whether you need replacement window services near Cloverleaf TX for one room or an entire property.